Welcome to Ajastro Mini Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on global commodity markets. Today, we bring you a detailed review of the aluminum and copper markets, highlighting key trends, inventory updates, and macroeconomic drivers that are shaping the future of these critical metals. Let's dive in. The aluminum market displayed a mixed performance on December 4, 2024, with price movements reflecting a blend of global uncertainties and cost-driven support. Here's a closer look at the key exchanges. On India's Multi-Commodity Exchange, MCX, the December aluminum contract closed at 243 rupees and 80 paise, up 1 rupee and 15 paise. With 2,310 lots traded, open interest rose by 46 lots, signaling active market participation. Meanwhile, the January contract also gained 70 paise, settling at 243 rupees and 5 paise. Moving to the Shanghai Futures Exchange, SHFE, the December contract dropped by 20 yen to close at 20,360 yen, while the January contract declined slightly by 5 yen to 20,380 yen. Open interest saw a notable reduction, reflecting position closures or profit booking. On the London Metal Exchange, LME, aluminum displayed resilience. The 3-month forward contract climbed $19.50, settling at $2,609.50, while cash contracts rose $18.85 to $2,584.60. The narrowing cash to 3-month spread suggests tightening near-term supplies. Inventory dynamics showed declining stocks across key exchanges. On the SHFE, inventories dropped by 4,623 tons, while LME stocks fell by 2,775 tons. In India, no inventory was reported on MCX, reflecting robust downstream consumption. Geopolitical tensions in South Korea, the Middle East, and the Russia-Ukraine region have reignited market volatility. Meanwhile, expectations of a Federal Reserve rate cut in December are lifting sentiment across non-ferrous metals. However, in China, high production costs and softening demand present challenges. Seasonal factors and easing supply chain disruptions in Xinjiang could influence price movements in the coming weeks. Turning to the copper market, prices surged on December 3, driven by a weakening US dollar and optimistic macroeconomic signals. Here's how the market performed. On the MCX, the December futures gained 12 rupees and 75 paise to close at 822 rupees and 55 paise, while January contracts rose 12 rupees and 70 paise to 819 rupees and 35 paise. Open interest for December contracts declined, signaling profit booking, while January contracts saw fresh buying activity. On the SHFE, copper prices advanced, with December and January contracts settling at 74,070 Chinese yuan and 74,060 Chinese yuan, respectively. Trading activity remained robust, especially in January contracts, despite a slight drop in open interest for December. The LME saw 3-month forward contracts rise by $119 to $9,111.50, and cash prices climbed by $136.08 to $9,010.21. The narrowing cash to 3-month spread reflects improving supply-demand dynamics. On COMEX, December futures increased by $0.0625 to $4.1380, with January contracts gaining $0.0705 to $4.1650. Speculative interest softened, as open interest fell for both contracts. Inventory updates showed a mixed picture across exchanges. While MCX and LME stocks fell sharply, SHFE inventories inched higher, and COMEX stocks showed moderate replenishment. The weakening US dollar provided strong support for copper prices, boosting its appeal globally. Additionally, signals from the Federal Reserve about a potential interest rate cut have improved market sentiment. However, demand concerns linger in China, where high prices and year-end slowdowns have capped procurement. As we approach the year-end, both aluminum and copper markets are likely to experience heightened volatility. Traders should remain vigilant, balancing bullish macroeconomic signals with underlying demand challenges. Keep a close watch on inventory levels, geopolitical developments, and macroeconomic indicators to make informed decisions. Stay tuned to Ajayastro Money Guru for daily updates and in-depth analysis on commodity markets. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.